Hello EWRSD, this is Kevin McGill from your IT department making a video on how to pair and program your tablet pen. At the top of your pen, you have a shortcut button. This shortcut button does not protrude. It is flush with the top of your pen. Opposite the flat side of the top of your pen is where a white LED will blink. After we hold down our shortcut button for 5 seconds, that white LED will begin blinking. Okay? A blinking white LED means that your pen is in discoverable mode and is ready to be paired with the tablet. In the lower right-hand corner of the screen, we are looking for the Bluetooth tray icon. If we do not see the Bluetooth tray icon, click on the Show Hidden Icons button. More icons will be revealed, one of which should be the Bluetooth icon. But yet, if you do not see it, Bluetooth may be turned off. So in the lower right-hand corner, click on the squared speech bubble to get into your quick actions. Now, if you have to, click on the expand word to reveal more quick actions and look for that Bluetooth quick action. It should be blue. If it's not blue and it's gray, click once on it to change it to blue and effectively to turn it on. So if we leave the Action Center and we go back into the Show Hidden Icon system tray here and click twice on Bluetooth, it should reveal the Bluetooth and other devices settings window. So at the top it says add Bluetooth or other device. Let's click on that. And then in the add a device window, we have a Bluetooth option here. So let's click on that. And then it should find our pen, the Dell PN557W pen, after scanning the air for anything discoverable. So now it's connected. I'm going to click Done in the lower right-hand corner. And then I'm going to close the window by clicking on the X in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Okay, so now let's go about programming this pen. So in the lower right-hand corner, I'm going to click on the Windows Ink Workspace. And then I'm going to click on the Pen and Windows Ink settings. The settings window appears with the Pen and Windows Ink options. So we have some options available to us here, so let's go through them briefly. So at the top it says choose which hand you write with. I'm left-handed, so I'm going to leave it lefty. We have show visual effects, so when you touch the screen with your pen you have a little ripple effect. You can turn that on or off. You can have the cursor shown when your pen is near the surface of the tablet. You can turn that on and off as well. Ignore touch input when using my pen, so there's no foreign touches by like your palm or anything when you're trying to write. So you can turn that on and off as well. And then as you scroll down just a little bit past all the handwriting input panel options and such, we have the pen shortcuts. So don't believe the Microsoft graphic that's in the pen shortcuts section. Okay, our shortcut button is not protruding at the top of our pen. It's actually flush. Okay, so we have a few actions we can take with the shortcut button to open applications on our tablet. So the way I have mine set right now is if I press my shortcut button one time, Windows Ink Workspace Screen Sketch will reveal. Okay, now what I can do is I can change this if I wish, and I have some options available to me. So I can have it do nothing if I wish. I can have it open the OneNote Windows 10 app. I can have it open the OneNote 2016 Office application, or even open up some other application if I wish. Okay. For the double click, I have a couple different options available to me. I can send a screenshot immediately to the OneNote Windows 10 app, or a screenshot directly to the OneNote 2016 application in Office. So either one. The other three should be the same: Windows Ink Workspace and launching a classic or universal or Windows 10 app. Okay, and then finally the press and hold. Now the press and hold, to do that you would have to hold down your shortcut button for 2 seconds. You don't want to hold it for too long, because then remember, as I said earlier in the video, you'll put your pen in discoverable mode, which is that I think it's 5 seconds I said. So if you hold it down for 5 seconds, you might put your pen back in discoverable mode again. So let's test these out real quick. So for clicking once, I have it set so that Screen Sketch will open up. Okay, so I'm going to press my shortcut button one time and not even touch the tablet at all. And Screen Sketch will come up. So it takes a picture of my screen and then gives me tools at the top so I can annotate on the screen if I wish. I'm going to close it by clicking on the X in the upper right-hand corner. Now for double click, I have set Windows Ink Workspace and then the Sketchpad. So I'm going to press that button twice, and then the Sketchpad reveals itself. It reveals itself up here. So I'm going to click on the X in the upper right-hand corner. And then for my third action, I have the camera. So if I hold down the shortcut button for a couple seconds, the camera appears. So I'm not even touching the tablet. All this is being done right now by that shortcut button that's flush at the top of my pen. I'm going to close the camera app. And then any setting that you were to put in place within the settings window is in effect immediately. So there's no OKs or cancels or any type of acknowledgement you need to give Windows. Anything you set is set. So I'm going to click on the X in the upper right-hand corner of the window, and that should conclude pairing and programming the pen. It's a simple process, and I hope you learned something, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Enjoy!